to merge cells in Google Sheet? Need a big title that stretches across columns, or maybe you want a neat combine multiple cells for cleaner look? Merge cells in Google Sheet is the key to create visually appealing, ready to use layouts. Let's see how to merge like a pro and upgrade your spreadsheet design. So, open your desired sheet, then select the two cells that you want to merge, and then over here at the bottom you can see a arrow pointing both to each other. If you tap on it, it simply gets merged. Like this, you have merged two cells at once.